Very nice.
Neat.
And this is is this mounted to this?
This is...
So it doesn't move?
This is just cut in here, and then there's like 8 screws here and 8 screws
There you go, so that doesn't rotate much.
Yeah, it
Got
doesn't
it.
move at all, man.
Very nice. What's going on, man?
What's up, buddy?
Sir, could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Matt Whitson. RAV4, 8K, 3 tank batteries, 3 Zen Gold 15s, 270 JS.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
They're real heavy.
Did you build the box?
My man right here designed it, and we built it in this backyard.
Okay. Oh, really? Backyard build. All right.
Oh yeah, man.
I like the way you did the bracing there.
Yeah, we did that last weekend for right here.
Yep.
This brace is broken.
Did it help a little bit?
No, it helped a lot. I feel like it digs the loads a lot better. For sure.
Just by doing some braces helps. That's right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Awesome. How big is the box in cubic space and like the tuning? Do you know that?
Tuning is like 29.
Okay. Don't worry about the space. I was just curious.
I don't know how big the box is.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
It's about that big.
All right.
Hell yeah.
What frequency is it liking the most? Since you bought
It loves the dirty 30s for sure.
30? Around the 30s?
I clamp lows on the way here though, trying to play with it.
Yes, sir. Have you metered it at all for fun?
Last time I metered before the braces, it did at 51 and the kick gun there at 42.
So it's probably gone up from there since the braces?
I hope so,
Yeah.
for sure.
Awesome. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Awesome. Very nice.
Neat.
And this is is this mounted to this?
This is...
So it doesn't move?
This is just cut in here, and then there's like 8 screws here and 8 screws
There you go, so that doesn't rotate much.
Yeah, it
Got
doesn't
it.
move at all, man.
Very nice.
Neat.
That's a good idea. What was your name, man?
Where's Matt? Listen.
Matt, Jacob.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for watching, man.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead and give Matt a like. Subscribe if you have. Sundown 2021. All right, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walker, and we got a Matt system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Did a really good job. Give him a thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. Definitely like the layout of the box, having subs up with port up. And if you notice, this is 3 15-inch subwoofers. Most people would have either 2 or 4, but he did a triple sub setup. And don't know what it's wired to impedance-wise on that 8,000 watt amp. But having the port right here in this location in a hatchback sometimes is more optimal if you don't have enough space between the gap of the back of the hatch. So it seems to be working out really well for him and tuned really low. And having that placement to be able to mount your box to is a really good idea. So anybody maybe looking at trying to improve their system, that's a good thing to do in a no-wall system or a trunk. So that's the quick shot. I didn't really get a close-up of the amp. It is the MD Taramps 8K. Probably at 1.3, I'm going to guess. And I like the way he used the noodles to kind of reinforce his roof so it didn't damage, and also the way he kind of braced it. So that's a good idea to kind of help stop flex and maybe even increase your SPL score and get louder. So welcome to my channel, JacobViral Daily Videos. Subscribe and enjoy this 3 to 4 minute demo.
Here, we'll see what's playing already.
say 32, 33 hertz, or what frequency is it liking the most? Since you bought one?
It loves the 30s for sure.
30? Around the 30s?
I clamp lows on the way here though, kind of play with it.
Yes, sir. Have you metered it at all for fun?
Last time I metered before the braces, it did at 51 and the kick gun at 42.
So it's probably gone up from there since the braces?
I hope so,
Yeah.
for sure.
That's a good idea. What was your name, man?
It's Matt, listen.
Matt, Jacob.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for watching, man.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead and give Matt a like. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Sundown 2021. All right, man.